Namaste students, how are you all doing? Hope you all are fine, safe at your home. I'm also excellent. Stay at home and do your homeworks on time. Today we are going to enter into a new lesson, Tux Paint. Before going to our lesson, let me ask you a question. What will you do in your free time? Obviously your answers will be drawing, playing, writing, listening to songs and so on. Today our topic also is related to one of our hobby, drawings, that is painting, Tux Paint. And Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program. It is not like other drawing programs because it has so many creative tools, funny animations and magic effects which we love more. So only we are calling Tux Paint as the best drawing program, We all have friends, obviously, but some friends are very close to us. So only we are calling them as best friends. They will be in our sad times as well as in our happy times. So only we are calling them as best friends. Like the same, so many drawing programs are there. But Tux Paint is one of the best drawing programs as it has so many creative tools. Today, we are going to see only two subtopics. One is what are the features of a Tux Paint and the another one is how to open a Tux Paint. So first one is features of a Tux Paint. So what are the characteristics of a Tux Paint? First comes, it is a free software. Okay, no need to pay anything. You can download it for free. Second one is drawing musket. Okay, there will be a drawing musket which will help you to learn more about Tux Paint. And third is variety of tools. I already said to you, it has so many creative tools where you can create beautiful designs. Next is personalized stamp. Okay, once you complete your drawing, you can use a special stamp also in your drawings if you want. Next, funny sounds. Usually whenever we draw any pictures on a computer, we need to select some tools. Okay, it may be a color tool or symbols, shapes, whatever it is. But in Tux Paint, whenever we select any tool, one funny sound will be played at the background, at the backside. Okay. Last is load or save. It will automatically load the drawing or save the drawing without creating any file name. Even we used to draw in MS Paint, but we need to create a file name to save the file and to load the file. But here in this Tux Paint, no need to create any file name. Without creating a file name, automatically it will load and save our drawing as a thumbnail. So these are the features of a Tux Paint. So it is free, absolutely free, and there will be a drawing musket which will help you to learn more about it. And it has a lot of tools and we can use personalized stamp also. And whenever we select any tool, once funny sound or played, and automatically it will save the file without creating any file name. So next our subtopic is how to open a Tux Paint. So I cannot explain you on this board. Let me explain you with the help of my system because I have downloaded this Tux Paint in my laptop. So let me show you how to open a Tux Paint with the help of my system. Now we will see how to open Tux Paint. So I am using Windows 8, the Windows 8 operating system in my system. Suppose if you have Windows 7 in your computer, you have to go to the start button. Can you see my cursor where it is showing? Yes, you have to go to the start button and you have to select all programs. In all programs, you have to select Tux Paint window. But here I am using Windows 8, so directly I can click the app what I have downloaded. So this is the welcome screen of Tux Paint. And here you could see tools box and here sub tool box. So tool box contains 14 different kinds of tools, and the sub tool box contains more option on a particular tool. As of now I have selected paint, so it is showing the brushes. Suppose if I select shapes, and it will show more options on shapes. And down we can see color palette with different colors, where we can select different colors for our drawings. In a color palette there will be 17 fixed colors and one will be choice. And down you could see one penguin. It is like our friend, and it will show you the proper way to use each tool. Now I am going to select new. Can you see the new button? New? Yes. Once you click new, color box will be appeared. Okay, this is the color box which has different colors. If you want your screen should be visible in orange color, you can select orange, or it should be in yellow, in the sense you can select yellow color. Now I am going to select yellow color and I am going to give open. So see, my screen has appeared in yellow color, and I can draw whatever I want. So I am going to select square and I am going to select, and I can rotate whatever I want, I can do, and I am going to give it so I can type it out, everything I can do, and automatically we can save the file. See here, save button is there. So once we click the save button, automatically what drawing has been done by us, it will be saved without creating any file name. And in the features of a Tux Paint, we have seen that when we select any tool, it will give a funny sound, isn't it? For example, I'm going to quit from this. See la 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 sound until you could see, and again I'm giving, that's all I came out. So this is how to open Tux Paint in a computer. Hope you all have understood the features of a Tux Paint and how to open a Tux Paint. In our next class, we will see the remaining parts. Thank you children. Have a nice day.